Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of our live streams. Um, yeah, I'm excited to be here today. Wait, is there some feedback? I think from your mic or something. Like it's feedback. Maybe it's my feedback. I can still hear it. There is some feedback. Are you muted? Oh, streaming. Oh, you okay? Your voice is not coming through. I think that's the issue. Sorry guys, technical issues. But um, yeah, we're going to get on it soon and fix it. Yeah. So welcome. Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's surprisingly good now. I don't know what you did, but like it actually sounds well now. I was hearing one sound that like a doop
Hey,
doop doop doop. Yeah, streaming can be crazy. Well, anyways,
yeah.
um, yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome to another Saturday of our live streams. We're excited to be here today because we're actually finishing up some work that we did last week. If you were here with us live last week, probably saw what we did with the CLI. We got it to work, but we basically just like cloned somebody else's repo and made some API change. No, actually, we just like used the exact same version, like got it to run, made our own CLI. We could have published the npm and got it over with, but we're like, why not take a job at like trying to make some API updates with like the new versions of those packages and then eventually publish into npm. And maybe extend on like some features of CLI that we can maybe add to make it cool and stuff. And then yeah, so we're excited to be here today. And yeah, introductions. So I'm Tobiloba. I'm a software engineer and developer advocate. Enjoy streaming and I have been like doing tech for like 3 years now. So excited to be here today and doing stuff like next to me is Emmanuel. Yeah.
Yeah, hi guys. My name is Emmanuel, software engineer. Yeah, I'm an open source advocate, open source builder. So, yeah, excited to be live on this episode of our live stream. And yeah, hoping we can sort of finish up what we started last week, right? So, as Toby said, if you were with us last week, we started with building CLI, and we were able to get what we got from a particular article. We were able to get one. But we needed to like make changes, right? Because most of the methods and most of the packages were already outdated now. So there's already a later version of it afterwards. So we wanted to like try to make sure we're working with recent versions of the packages and yeah, make some couple of tweaks and publish them PM. So yeah, we're hoping this one's going to be fun and we're going to learn during the process. So yeah, excited for this.
Yeah, me too. I'm very excited for this episode. I think it's like actually get this working and up and going. So if you're in the comments, feel free to chime in. Drop a comment, say hi, say hello. We know you guys are watching. You guys are like awesome. Like coming here every Saturday and doing things that you could be working on or just resting. But you're like here watching two guys just writing code and stuff. I think that takes
Yeah,
and you guys are like awesome people. Um,
yeah.
yeah. So let's get to it. Right to it. Right, actually. And get cracking. One sec. Uh, Let me just pull up my browser here. Um, Actually, I need to like rearrange my screen so I gotta take some things out. Um, aha, yep, this goes. My terminal please. So I'm just trying to rearrange my screen. I just
Yeah,
need a
no
browser.
issues. So yeah, while Toby's trying to figure out his browser tabs, yeah, I would like to say so far the support has been amazing, right? So yeah, you guys are really, really amazing, and would really like to have like some sort of like interactions, right? So if you have any probably any topics or anything what I've been doing so far, and you have questions about the stuff, you should always feel free to like drop it in the comment
Yeah,
section.
definitely.
And yeah, we do our best to like answer to the best capacity. And yeah, so even if you have suggestions, basically, you can even say Toby's hair is looking tata. You don't like the color of his hair. Yeah, something. So feel free. It's a free word. Yeah. So yeah, have you sorted your tab?
Yeah, I have watching. You know, these live
So
streams, I actually enjoy doing them. So I just come straight from bed to my desk. So if my hair is, yeah, I didn't actually have time to actually do it. So
yeah,
so
the
let me
same
share my,
goes. The same goes for
yeah,
me too. My hair is not looking all that good. So yeah.
uh, sharing my
So we're
screen
on the
now. Let me
same
share
boat
my,
on this
actually, should I share, let me share the screen. Yeah, I should be up now. Yep, and we see the great. Let me just hide this banner because I think it's blocking the screen. Yep, so we are here again. Yeah, it's just me writing something in German. So here, blank screen. And now, those articles we actually used last week. Are we looking at them, or are we just going to look at the code and, just like,
one.
what was that? What am I even trying to do? And
Yeah, I think
maybe look.
yeah, I think we have gotten kind of what we wanted from that. So we just like look at the code and
Yeah, okay,
go into documentation and stuff. Mm.
that makes perfect sense. I'm just going to pull that up. CLI tool. Yep, I think this is it. I just need to zoom in here and give you live share. My live share. Remember that Saturday live share wasn't working. So annoying. Then I found out it was one dependency in my VS Code that was actually blocking it from working. It's crazy how VS Code has like a self debugging option. So if your VS Code has issues, you can actually like use your VS Code to debug itself, and yeah, you could actually like find out a couple of things. It was with VS Code that I used to find out that problematic extension. I fixed it with VS Code, so it was like, yeah, it was kind of like yeah, it was actually nice that VS Code could do that. I used to hear Emmanuel, this guy of frozen. Emmanuel, can you hear me? Emmanuel, can you hear me? One, two, or we am I the one that's been kicked out? In the audience, you can hear us, just like drop a comment and stuff. Let us know. Looks like Emmanuel cannot hear me though. Oh, please. No. Huh. I think need to sort this network issues. One sec. I'm just trying to get Emmanuel back soon. Yeah, it's frozen. Looks like it actually. Um yeah, thank you for that. I mean that. Yeah, it was actually frozen. We need to check up on that. One sec. Let's put, oh, he's back now. Yes, we can hear you. Oh, thank you, Mika. Uh, I think it's tricky, Mika. So like, I think Emeka works. I guess. If it doesn't work, let me know. So thank you, Emeka.
Can you hear me
Imana,
now?
are you back now? Yeah, I can. I can
Yeah,
hear you now. Nice.
my
What happened? What happened?
network is being
Oh, sorry.
yeah,
I said sorry about that.
yeah,
Okay, cool.
yeah. I
So
mean,
yeah.
yeah, I think I've gotten the link now, so I'm joining now.
Okay, nice, 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 nice. So for those of you that were here with us last week, we actually got our CLI to work, surprisingly. And it was actually nice because let me just see to that CLI tool. It was so cool, like getting into work and we ran some like commands and we used some flags from here, like the language flag or sentence flag. It was really nice. Yeah, it was really, really nice. So the CLI tool usage, you call the CLI tool command, you put the language, put it here, and then the sentence you want to translate. I think from English is the default. Yeah, translates to a
Yeah.
specific language. Are you in?
Yeah, I mean, so can
All right.
we just for the just for those that maybe were not around last week, can we like run this? Make sure it's still
Oh yeah, yeah,
works.
of course. Actually, one sec. Let me just put the browser here so that the code and CLI stay together. So let me just npm install CLI tool. You can actually npm install CLI tool. Like, wait, sure. How did we install it then? I think it was with npm. Did we like npm install like a local thing? I'm actually blanking. One sec.
No, I think the npm install set doesn't have to be like run each time you want to
So we just like call the
tell you
CLI.
what to call it. Yeah,
So we just like call the CLI command.
yeah.
One second, let me look. Because I know npm install will be calling the npm registry, which is not exactly what we want. Um, yeah, okay, yeah. So we just do npm install global like with the global flag. I just saw that now. Yeah, we do that from the roots too. We have to call it from the roots, not from here. Okay, I just saw that now. So cd and yeah, I've forgotten what that symbol is called. Is it Zelda or something? Okay, so sorry, Claire. And then yeah, so npm install -g as undefined. Ooh, where is this coming from? Name of four. Interesting. We didn't have this error last week. This is weird.
Is this
Uh,
where is it tracing the error from?
I don't think it's from our code though. Funny how code that was working just last week. Let's see. Cannot
Yeah, it
destruction from
was. I
tail.
think it's like from something else because this global installation is not only like
Oh yeah, I get you. So maybe from
yeah,
another
you get
package. Yeah.
other stuff too. Yeah.
It's weird though.
So can we try running the command without doing the npm? Like going to the folder and command.
Yeah, but like if you make any change, you actually need to reinstall globally so that it will
Reinstall.
work.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Let me try clearing cache of npm though. So maybe that would work. Um, let me try clearing my npm cache. Two. Let's try again. Wow, interesting. Still the same thing that happened. CLI tool. Let me just do this. Okay, this runs, but like we sort of need it to keep running. So we sort of need to be able to reinstall so that we can
That's the
actually.
thing. So like running it doesn't depend on global. It's when we want to like make change and updates.
Yeah, does it auto change though? I think we have to reinstall for it to like auto update. I mean, for it to like
Updates.
update so that we see the
Yeah,
whatever
me
new
too.
code.
Or we could do a
Uh,
quick little experiment and maybe change just I don't know, translate this
yeah, yeah.
sentence
Let's try
to
that.
yeah, just a
Let's
simple
try that.
stuff.
So let
Um,
me just change this to I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
convert the sentence
Convert,
or whatever.
yeah. So that convert.
So
Okay,
that's
I
it.
just run
So
any of it. It's going to take a while. We actually cancel this. I can start another terminal instance too. Um, how do I do that? New tab. Yep. So I can just like CLI tool. Oh, it did
convert, so
update.
it
Right.
updates. Yeah.
Yeah, so we
So
don't
we
need to
didn't really
um,
need to do
do that all the time.
Tobiloba.
Actually, let me check that. Why did they do that?
I think that that error is like coming from a different package totally like different.
Yeah, probably some npm, probably some pnpm and npm the differences. I think that's what maybe causing it. It's kind of a weird error to
And
have though.
yeah, and then PM errors are not like they are not that straightforward.
Yeah, because this
You
now
can't really
does not make.
pinpoint. Yeah, that's really
Oh,
make
it
it.
says you cannot structure name of property name. So maybe if I added like a package name, so maybe to like understand, like if I added, maybe because there's no like package I'm adding there, like doing the npm install
Okay,
G, so it
okay,
just
like
doesn't know what. So
if you do like IPG, maybe CLI too. Is that what I say?
yeah, let me actually
The
try
name
that.
after.
Oh, so now it works because it knows. Oh, it's still through an error though. Yeah, because it's not. It's like checking
Because
the
it's not
npm.
on, yeah, 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 NPM registry.
So I think that was the error. I mean, this error is different from this error, so at least we know something is right there. Yeah. Okay. I'll probably come back to that and circle back to that because it was working last week, which was weird to me. Maybe I updated my npm version during the week, but that's by the way. At least we know we don't need to run that every time now to actually see changes. So let's
Yeah.
take it back to translate. Okay, now we verified our code work, and that's good. So next steps. Let's actually. So next step is also like reading docs, right?
Yeah.
Or how do you want to play?
So first off, we want to try to let's go to the package.json
Okay,
first.
awesome.
Um, so we take each of the aside from the translate API, we take each of the other dependencies, like boxing, chalk, and kublets and stuff. So we take them each of them and check for the latest version they have now. Go
And
through
see they're
their
like,
docs and see
mhm,
how they are, like usage and stuff there. See how we can do some
makes
updates there.
sense. Um, npm. So the package's name is boxing, right?
Yeah.
And so, so for boxing, do they have a website? Just the repo. The homepage is the readme. Or are they using like GitHub page? Okay, it's just the readme. So npm install boxing, and then you can log your boxing. Like it just comes out as a log, and you can add like
Yeah.
padding and stuff like that. So is that what we have here, though? Let me see how I use boxing. Yeah, I think that's boxing hasn't really changed much. It's still just like you're writing CSS or something. So like you do like padding, one margin, border style, the whole charade of things. Title, magical, title alignment. So boxing, it takes in a text that you want to put a box around, and takes in an object, an options object, where you can like now do um styles and where you can now write styles in rather. So for example, you
Yeah.
have like border color, the string, it can take any of these values and it colors the border box. Oh wait, is that an optional? Oh yeah, my bad. I think wait, let me see. Am I misreading something? Yeah, border color is actually a property. Yeah, I'm not missing anything. So the
Yeah.
property in options object. Same with border style. Um, and
Single. What are you saying?
so this can take a string or an object. Default is single. So like this double is like I think the thickness.
The thickness of
Oh,
the border.
like thickness, yeah, thickness slash border radius. So I think border style can control anything border wise. So either single, double, round, bold. So anything that involves border,
Yeah.
you can actually control it. So you can just use that. And then you can use this entire object to like actually control the styles of your object, how you want maybe the border around it to be. Kind of like top, right, bottom, left, every angle like that. And then there's the border. I don't think boxing has changed much. I mean, the last who is the maintainer? Sindre Source and Sir Sarasovic. Shout out to both of them. They're awesome for like making boxing. I seem very well. I already follow Sindre Source. It's like a star boy on GitHub. You have 69K plus followers on GitHub. You're like a celeb. It's more than it's more than like
Yeah.
one
Can you
million
see
on Twitter.
his green box? Green wall. Sorry.
Damn.
Crazy. 2000 contribution. Over
Wait, it works
70.
at Century now. I think it works at Century now. Or am I missing something? Oh, I don't think it works at Century. But I just saw a Century activity here. So maybe it does work at Century. But really nice stuff though. Shout out to him. Um, very nice reading as well. And Sarah, so I already followed him as well. So yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't think yeah, like I was saying, okay, related to this. Like I was saying, I don't think boxing has changed much. Changed much rather. 3 months ago was the last published, so it's still up to date. And from what we just checked, it looks like we're still good. The readme is very clear. So like adds in every information that
So
you
can
need
we
regarding.
so can we do like an update of current version we have?
Yep,
Because I'm not
yep.
really
So the
sure
current version
this
of
is correct.
boxing is version 8.0.1. So let's update boxing and see what happens. That's actually a
Let
very
me
nice
see
plan. Like,
see if it breaks or anything.
so I'm going to clear now. So I'm going to npm install. So for those of you that learn npm commands out there, there's actually like so many cool npm commands you can learn. Like for example, now I can just do boxing at latest like this, and it's just I give the latest version of boxing, which is 8.0.1. So if we run this now, we should get our boxing changed to 8.0.1 when that command runs anyways. Yep, you see it
Yeah.
already did it. So now we deleted boxing. So now let's try running boxing again. I mean CLI tool again
The
to see what
CLI.
happens.
Yeah.
So fingers crossed.
See.
Maybe we should try changing something. I mean if it runs, we know it works, right? Or should we change something
Yeah,
still?
yeah, yeah. For it to run that it doesn't break, it means it works. So maybe I
Uh,
want to change something. I think what
oh.
Mhm.
So now, okay,
exactly
this was
what
the issue we're having. Remember that issue with like some ES
yeah,
models?
exactly what I was
Yeah.
expecting. So see I will have some
So,
issues there. So
so now it
let's
says
try to
require of ES module from
so first
okay
off,
from that
let's see how can we
imported.
see how
So
boxing is being imported first off.
so we're
Like
importing
in the
boxing with
the
we require like in like CJS wise, like with CJS rather.
mhm.
Come on, here.
Yeah.
So but doesn't require boxing like that.
So can we check on their docs how
Boxing should be
basically the same
imported.
require yeah.
No, they are not. They are using ESM.
So,
Should we
and
try?
I think
But
for
the thing
we
is, if
yeah
we switch
if
to
we
ESM,
we will
I
need to
mean we
like
can't.
change the configuration of the package adjacent. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah, I mean
And
we can just there's a type
that would mean
there's a
yeah
there's a type parameter
typing
in yeah. Hey, okay. So I think by default type is common JS, so we can just do module like that. Maybe this would allow us to write import here.
Yeah,
So for example, maybe we don't even need
let's
to
go
change it
to the
to NJS. But I doubt this will run though, because or we can just check npm's docs or something. I mean package adjacent docs if this would run for us. Oh, it's not crying. So maybe something is so maybe it's
It's
fine.
JS now. It's JS. Even if there's even if
Actually,
there's
we
reason to
even
cry, yeah, it wouldn't
I
even
actually
wouldn't even
I
get
actually
it.
already used TypeScript because TypeScript would have
Wouldn't,
said something like you're doing
yeah,
something
wouldn't
wrong, bro.
budge to illegal
Another
return
error.
statement. Wow. Is
You're
this
doing
us
something
going to
illegal.
jail or something?
So I did something illegal now. Okay,
Yeah,
where's that
exactly.
coming from? Is it line from like a bundle
57.
file? Oh, no. So no, not bundle. From line 57.
Are we
7,
returning
7.
anything?
Oh yeah, we are. But this is just like a normal return. Like if you don't want anything to happen. How is that
Yeah.
illegal though?
I'm
Interesting.
even quite I'm quite surprised that he didn't like show errors for the other
Oh,
require
for the other part,
like
no,
the
I think
other
it's because we haven't.
patches updated them, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
but this illegal return thing here, I'm not sure this makes sense. So he asked us show help and then return that says break, not do anything. If return doesn't work, what should we use? Can we use? I don't think break works here. Can we use break or something?
we can use, but I think break is still going
Yeah,
to result in the same
break is only within
error.
switch. Illegal return. Let's actually look that up. Like that's it's kind of weird. Let's look that
Sounds
up. Let's see
too
what.
the word is too strong, like bro, you
Return statement in JavaScript. So what are you saying? Stack Overflow load. So Stack Overflow is saying when I run this code. So maybe return no. Nice comment actually. Yeah, we can hear. Okay, thank you, Black Junk. Rex says we should like try returning no when I run this code. Return only makes sense inside the function. There's no function in your code. Also, your code is worded in department
oh
of.
I see. That's actually true because I will write in the function anyway.
Yeah, but like I mean, yeah, that actually makes sense.
Yeah, because
Uh,
normally you want to return, and what you want it to return is when you want to like return something. So there's no function. What are we trying to return?
oh yeah, that actually makes sense. I was thinking like I don't know, React wise, I guess. So we always return something. So it kind of feels weird now that return is saying something that something is illegal. So when you say we should try using null, but I don't think the null is the problem because even if we return null, the return is
Yeah,
it's saying that
returning is the problem.
yeah, returning is the
Like
problem. But somebody said
exactly, it's not what to return.
on Stack Overflow, it says we should try like JSON encode to ensure the message context don't break just because one apostrophe in the message. I'm not very sure. Okay, I think this is like related to this use case, but according to what he said, the return only makes sense inside the function. Or did I like? Can I go back? Yeah. Let's see MDN as well. See if we are doing anything wrong.
Yeah.
So what are you saying here? Thank you for your support. Um, uh, return results. Some comments. Yeah, I think it has to be inside the function from all the solutions I'm seeing. Yeah, but what did they say here? Yeah, okay. Examples missing curly braces for when it can go wrong. It's called outside the function. Really have some missing curly braces. Yeah. Oh, I think yeah, it's just the same thing really. Return not in a function, illegal return statements. Oh, Firefox would have even told us that return not in a function, I guess. But we're getting the error from CLI, so it's not really Firefox. It's called outside of a function. Yeah, it's been a while I've got that kind of error though, so maybe that's why it feels weird to me. Illegal return.
I mean,
But let's see what can
yeah,
we
I
do
know
here, dude.
most times there's always a function somewhere. I'm thinking of if we can have what's it called? If we can have like this three if statements, right? Like a function. I'm looking at how that's going to work. Um, because language.
Illegal return. Sorry, it's kind of weird. Uh, oh, it's because we're using ASM actually. I think that's the problem.
Oh, so it works for like common JS.
Yeah, so we actually need to wrap our code inside the function so that we can call it and then without call that function.
I mean, we could even do what's it called? We could wrap everything you have here inside the function
Yeah,
and
that's
just
what
call
I'm
it.
saying.
I mean,
Yeah,
that
we need to wrap
works.
everything inside the function. Yeah, so let's refactor them. So what can we wrap here? I mean, we just wrap the entire thing, right? Or we
I mean,
translate.
where I think I think where we have all the return statements, they are like inside an if block or different block, so it doesn't really affect.
So should we wrap that part only? Or what do you think?
I think we can wrap the entire thing and just call
Process
it
of
like
argv,
but
process of argv is being used here, right? And argv is
yeah.
what this other. I said process of argv is being used here, right? And
Yeah,
argv
yeah, yeah, yeah.
and argv is what these other guys are using. So what if we just took this part that is using process.argv
Okay,
we
this
just
part
like pass,
downwards, right?
I will just pass process.argv inside so we just call like function no, not that, thank you, copilot. So just like function call CLI or something, or run CLI or something like that. So process.argv should now come in as an argument. So we're just going to take, I think, just this part, right? Or is there anything else I'm missing out on? Translate. What does translate take? I just want to confirm that translate doesn't take anything that we're not using. Just
Translate takes sentence, and sentence is like along just right approve. So I think everything could go in from this
everything should go in,
down,
right.
yeah,
With send
down to
with
translate.
translate, right? Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Uh, so run CLI. So I'm just going to carry the entire thing. I mean, we could decide not to pass the argument and just call the function, but I don't know. I think either way works anyways. We can just come down here and just do like
And just
run
call
CLI.
run CLI. Yeah.
That's the thing with like ESM apparently. So you need to actually return. It was fine in CommonJS, which was so weird. So now let's get different errors or hopefully it will work. Okay, so require is not defined unless you used to
Require,
use import. So now
yeah,
the other things are now throwing errors. So I
that's
think we need to
require. So
refactor
exactly.
everything.
This was actually what I was expecting. Instead
So
of
that means
just
that one is fine. That means that
yes,
old error is fine.
yeah, yeah.
You can use import instead. Um, so it's treat as CommonJS. We can name it as CJS, but we're not going back. There's no going back, so we have to stick with our
So we
NGS
just
because we
have to
already done.
change. Yeah,
Uh, so let's just refactor everything here and change all of them to imports.
yeah.
Do you want to handle that?
But yeah, I just for translate from
Okay, thank you for your suggestion,
Yes.
Chukwemeka. Thanks for joining Black Trunk. Thank you all for like support. But yeah, it turns out it was an ESM thing. Doing type module already upsets it, so it's like, why are you guys trying to
Yes.
use it? Why are you guys trying to use require, or why are you guys trying to do a return here when you're not in the function?
Yeah.
So like so many, we're
Um,
breaking too many rules of ESM. So using modules rather, yeah, which is basically yes, what ESM does, like one sleep module. So but we still need to
yeah.
check that the other guys work as okay. I guess that would be when we update the CLI.
Mm-hmm.
But for now, I
Yeah,
think
that's true.
ESM we are fine. So let's run
We
CLI
just
two
want to
again.
make sure we don't get any boxing related error.
I mean, we are not getting any boxing related errors, but we're
That's
getting
how
a
I'm
Yag,
going now.
we're getting a Yags related error now. I think boxing is fine actually.
Okay.
So now
So
everything is
exactly.
getting and clicking. So
Yeah,
let's keep box.
yeah, the usage is not a function. I think we saw this last week. The
Yeah,
usage. Um,
but Yags the
I think
usage
first we
is
need to,
should have used
yeah.
TypeScript
I
for
think
this.
first let's try to update the Yags package. So we're sure that any change we're making is on that updated stuff.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. So that we don't like so that when we are checking
So
dogs,
that we
dogs
don't
actually
just
become
exactly bring the small change.
so, what's the name? The name is
Yags.
yeah, exact match. So the latest version is 17 point. Whoa, that's okay. Okay, we're actually close.
Yeah, I think we're on
17.7.2.
15.
No, around 16. Are we? Yeah, around 16.
Yes.
Published 2 years ago. 2 years ago rather. No, I think. Last I want to say last push. Um,
I think you
yes,
have
I
to
can
go to
check.
GitHub.
I can check versions from here. This is the latest, but when was it pushed to? Last 7 days. Oh, this is
And that's
downloads. Okay,
downloads. I think you have
that
to
means
go to
people
GitHub for that
actually.
track. Yeah, the GitHub link.
Oh, last published was 2 years ago actually. Um, last published, but we can check last push though from GitHub, like you said. Um, or the last publish was 2 years ago. So last year, that was the last ever commit to the repo used by over 26 million people. And it's funny how packages like this get used a lot. It's really nice work that they are doing. So I guess we should update, right? So simple usage. They're even using like um they're using normal what's it called?
Common JS.
Yeah, TGS rather. And okay, there may be a problem because we've already converted everything to ESM now. Uh
Wait, are they requiring from yards slash
okay,
yards?
huh?
Uh, like I just saw the require command was from yards slash yards.
Yeah,
I guess if
require
I
React.
want to import, we also have to
Oh, we're not doing
go
React
back
slash
to.
React.
No, I just updated it now.
Oh, I think the problem is from here.
Oh, there's even I just saw it now.
But no, there's a React usage here. But already doing okay, you already changed this.
Yeah. So we can
Okay,
just use
take it
the
off
normal
and
yards,
just
right?
Yeah, we can just do yags exactly. Yags dot. Oh wait, it's not dot. Or is it just supposed to be called like that? No, it's not uppercase Y. I think it's lowercase Y.
Okay.
Did you change that to uppercase?
Mhm.
I'm trying to see what it was before though.
Because he suggested um uppercase to me. I just
There's no dots there. Okay, I think yags
there's no
can just
dot.
be
Yeah.
okay.
Uppercase. Is it
No,
are
no,
we
no.
okay?
That doesn't matter. I already wrote that. So I just want to see if usage is something that still exists. So actually, no. Do we let's start by updating, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Just to
Let's start by
the
so yags, then at latest. At
right
next,
next.
I guess this also updates it. Oh, there's a release candidate. Oh, we don't want that. Uh, we don't want that. Let's do at latest.
Oh, I think next is like maybe a
The next
proposed
value that
version.
is yeah,
Yeah.
so like a release candidate. So this is the latest anyway, 17.7.2. So yeah, I think that next is an RC version. So we don't let's not deal with that right now. Don't know if you have the Discord here even. So trying to see so as of version 16, Yak supports Dino now. Okay, well, that's good. Oh, you can actually use ESM. See down here.
Okay.
But that way you have to import it. Import Yags from Yags.
Oh, there's also a hide bin on Yag's helper.
Oh, do we need to do that though? Let
I
me just
think we
remove this
need
Yag.
that. Uh,
I
we need the hide bin there because I think process.arg. Yeah.
it needs to wrap
React.
that.
With the
Yeah,
hidden bin.
but do we? They're not showing that we need all this usage and stuff though. I don't know if that. Okay, this is just to specify flags. I guess this will still run.
Those
Uh,
ones are just like
to configure the
options,
Yags
like
and
methods you can
yeah. So we need this hide bin. I'm guessing.
yeah.
Uh, let me just import that here. So the way we would call it is we use it to wrap process.argv. So like
Yeah.
this. This will be like yags. Then to wrap this guy. Then we'll put the command that we want to run. I guess that's already specified from up here. So these ones are like options here. What's usage? Usage is this chalk then. We still need to like verify though. They also have a pass command that they are calling. Are we doing that at all? But we're not doing any of this though. We can see examples. Oh, this is in browser.
Command.
You can run Yags in the browser. That's nice. I think they already have like functions now for like so many of the things that we were specifying in this options object. I'm not exactly sure if this options object is something they still use. They have a Slack. Uh,
Can we check the API? React API.
yeah, but how do I check that?
That's the first. And people
Oh,
don't
okay, yeah.
open.
Thank you, thank you. This will definitely open things for us. So the API reference. Okay, so I guess we're doing this right. But they are calling a pass command though. But we are doing this .argv. Do we actually need to do this? To get the argv.
That's what I'm not really sure.
You can pass the process of
I think
without any additional.
the example they did for ESM.
Oh, okay. So is there an ESM use case there? You can get the argument as
Yeah,
an
if you scroll
object.
down a bit, you
Or
see feeding.
command. Oh, I think they introduced some commands there to like help you better handle what's coming from your CLI. So we can also just log what's coming from our CLI to see what's happening. You said there's an ESM value and then ESM. Where is it?
Mm-hmm. You have to
I
scroll
don't
back
see
to
it.
the top.
Can I just search ESM? I don't see ESM here though. Are you looking at this API markdown?
Please, wait. Scroll down a bit, and down. Mhm. See that hidden link. I think I'm going past it.
Where? Hidden what?
I saw hidden bin. That stuff we added to.
Hidden bin. Oh, okay. Hide bin.
Yeah. Yeah. Which one do you
Yeah, I think
say
that
that I have the slides logic for you?
I think there's a pass command now that we can actually use. Oh, okay. Oh, we don't need to do this again. This is nice. See why it's good to read
Exactly.
docs. So this is nice. But how do we tell it to slice from? Where? How does it know where to slice from though? Does it just work? So I guess you don't need this again.
So they said something that the other commands will come before the pass or something. So the rest of the methods below come underneath. The rest of the methods will come in just before terminating. Yeah, just before terminating.
Oh, just before pass. Oh, so the other commands will come in before pass.
Before you pass.
Somebody's asking a question. Chugemaker, yeah, we do this every Saturday by 11 a.m. So we tweet and post on platforms. They can make sure to comment their reference. So yeah, you were saying like this is nice though, like reading docs. So we don't need this then. Let's try removing this. I'm guessing we don't need that .argv again to it just would work. We can console or log though to see what comes out of that.
Yeah, definitely. Just remove the argv for now.
We can just log it, right? Let me just console or log this. So like console.log. But if there's an error though, we would never see what that is. So maybe it's not really the best debugging. Yeah, because he asked the usage is still throwing an error. And I doubt usage is still something that exists.
Can we just remove usage or comment out?
Well, usage still exists.
Yes, does usage. If the optional are provided, it uses as an alliance command which allows you to use to configure the default commands.
So there's something called command now that we can use. So if you take your yags like this, you can actually they're saying that we can actually just for example, we can pass this command directly to usage. Is that what they're saying? I'm coming. Sorry, let's navigate on the same tab. Let's go here. So command takes in. Oh, so command takes in like. Oh, so chalk is also like kind of like taking this. So we can't really. Okay, so command. Let's see though. Command takes in the module. exposed by your application. So all the commands your application has, you can actually write here. Uh, CMD should be a string representing the command or an array of strings representing the command and its aliases. So you can use this to provide a description for the command. The application accepts the value stored in argv.
So this will make it first to create hidden.
To create the even command. It's optional, you can provide a builder object to give hints about the options that your command accepts. So essentially, the one takes in this get thing. Oh wait, it's like HTTP
It
get.
takes in the command, the
Okay,
description. So the command is
okay.
get. The description is make a get HTTP request, and then the function is what's going to happen when the command
That
is
means
there. So, yeah.
uh uh
So the usage we have on our own code is what exactly does it do? It takes chop.keyword, blah blah blah.
check the keyword violence just to color it, and then it takes in usage. How this just like shows like a sort of like
How
an
you
info
should,
thing.
like, can
Yeah,
help on how you are supposed to call.
yeah, info thing. Yeah, but I think it's the default command that shows up when you run CLI2. It's the default thing that shows up. So you see that box that shows the CLI2 text, and then it shows you like a default thing here. So that's what usage does here. But I think command does a similar thing.
But the difference is
Uh,
that I think with usage, there's no, you don't have to like
yeah, you
pass
don't
a
have to
specific
specify.
command or something. Yeah.
So why is usage breaking though? Like if usage still exists, why is it breaking? Because usage now you have the command for the message, you have a description, which is what is here. Wait, am I missing something? There's a comma here, right? Okay, but that's within boxing. Wait, though, is this correct though? Because this entire thing is wrapped inside this chalk stuff. Interesting. So I think you call chalk dot keyword, then you call it as a function or something.
So I think they are doing like a concatenation something because you have like three sections. The first is like an escape character, and then the boxing, another escape character.
Also, I think we needed to have passed here from here or
At the
something.
end,
Yeah. Although I still really haven't gotten like this though. I'm
it's
not
still not
exactly
going
sure
to, it's not even going to go past the usage.
the usage here. So I'm not really sure why that error is happening. Because usage clearly existed. It would have shown a different and better error. What does usage what does Yax that you just know a function mean? Yeah, that's that like this is weird. So we're calling Yags, or how is this supposed to be called? So maybe usage doesn't exist in ESM. So Yags slash Yags. That's how they expect us to call usage, not on Yags directly. Can we do that though? We need to do like a require thing here, which doesn't really make sense.
It's going to break.
Or which is there like a Yag slash Yags? Does that still exist?
I don't think so.
And it's still the same thing. Still says it does not exist, like it doesn't even know where it is. Interesting. So where do we go
Can
from
we
here?
can we search the error and start back and see if it is using?
Oh yeah,
That's the
that's true.
usage.
It says it's a type error though. Well, oh yeah, it is a type error. Let me check that. Stack Overflow. Oh, somebody even goes for like Yags.command. So Yags has a website. How come we didn't just go there? So this let me just take Stack Overflow one word first. Okay, so they are doing a similar thing to what we are doing. They are
Mhm.
importing Yags against them, and now they are getting that command. So after searching it, I came across the solution. Interesting. So Yags is a function which returns the object with the dot command property you want from the README. Uh, your code should look something like this. Like what's the process.argv? I'm starting to have a feeling that we don't. This is not how this should be used. Or what do you think? Like maybe we don't need to write
Um,
that.
Wait, the Yags, can you go back? Did we pass the same way we did? I think we should do the same way we did I'd been for this and B.
Oh really?
We need to do that for, I think so. Instead of passing dot and B, yeah, yeah.
Oh sorry, my bad. So you're saying we should do this. But that would be like us doing the same thing in two different places though. So it's they linked us to the
Let's
solution. I'm trying to run Yags command, but it's not working. And then somebody came up with a solution and said, you need to call pass
see.
function or access the argv command, argv property. So you either call pass like this, or you call this argv property like that. So maybe we're on the right track by doing that and I'd been rather. So you either call Yags.pass for it to run first before it recognizes it. Isn't that weird though?
But I think the pass like this. Is like what comes at the bottom
Yeah.
of the entire chain.
Okay, so that they have all this like API usage thing here. So usage is here. Somebody created a docs. Nice. It's basically just the README though.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's just the README they put here. I mean, we've made some changes. Let's try and see what happens. I think command is the new usage, but they are not telling us explicit. Oh, it works now. It actually did work for a while.
Wait, but yeah, but
Show help.
why?
What's this?
Yes, that's what I want to say. Why is a YAG instance custom script name? Where is that one coming from?
Why not even calling show help?
We
Oh,
barely
it's saying
coming.
show help doesn't exist
Can we
again.
also
Oh, we
check our
are.
console if we
I think
go
the
to
initial parts ran, but then when it
something?
can you hear me?
Yeah, can
Can you
you? I
hear me?
said, can we check? Yeah,
I
can we
yeah,
check
I
our
think the initial
console to
part.
see?
Yeah, let's remove this show help first. Let's see. Let's try to fix that first. Show help. Okay, this is weird because show help still exists too as well.
Yeah, can you click on it? Let's see.
Can you hear me? I think I was cut off for a sec. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
hear you.
okay.
So it says show up is
So what do we have? Like the error says show up is not a function, right? Is that what the error says?
that's what it says. Just like
Okay,
the
let's
previous
see.
error.
Yeah. So where
We
are we
need to
calling show up? Oh, we need to do the hide bin too again. Each time we
yeah,
try to call, I
I already
think
did
so.
that. But I
Yes.
think we need to call pass for it to even work. Do you get like we need to call pass everywhere we what's that? Okay. Um I think we need to call pass again for it to recognize show help. Or what do you think?
Yeah. We could try to run it and see if that would fix it. But I have a feeling we have to like pass that hide bin. Sorry,
Yeah, we already did that
for
though.
each. It's the instance where we're using to call
Yeah, we
the
already did
yags.
it.
This yags. Is this it?
Yeah, we did it here and we did it here too. It's just the only difference here and here is that we didn't call pass for this one.
No, what I'm saying is that this yags we use for the show help. Where is it
Wait, we
coming
need to
from?
do hide bin here again. It's coming from here now. Wait, it's coming from this one.
No, that's
Oh, my
no.
bad.
This is option.
Oh,
This is ag.
mistake.
So this
Oh yeah,
yags is coming from the one we imported. So we still need to add pass the hide bin stuff to it.
yeah, like here.
Mhm. Yeah,
But we already
exactly.
did it here now. Oh, it's a
And this
different
is a
yard.
different, exactly. This is set to options, right? And we're not
Oh,
using options.
why not
Okay.
just call options here, though?
Uh, I I think that would have even been better, safe, instead of having to declare yags. Anyway,
Yeah, let's just do this. This will probably break too,
yeah,
but let's change both of them to options. My bad, I
options,
didn't
yeah.
do that part before. Are we calling Yags again? I think that's all. So options isn't actually being used now. So let's CLI tool again. Options the show help is not a function. Okay, now that's weird still.
Yeah.
Options is just this Yags up here. Or maybe let's go back to Yags. Let's go back to Yags and let's do what he said. So I'm going to call this hide bin thing, right?
Yeah.
I think this may work though. Do we need to call pass maybe or something like
To
this?
end it, yeah, I think we need to cover it.
Let's do this here again. Ah, God. Oh, it works now. You were
So
right.
what?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
were
So
right.
now I think I got something. So I think we can change the whole yards back to options, but we need to
Oh, I know
add the
where this is
pass at
coming
the
from.
end.
This is coming from our console.log. My bad. I know where this is coming from. You just said
Oh, the
something now,
yards
right?
instance.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I
Can
said
you repeat what
I
you said?
think we can change. Yeah, I think we can change the yard stuff back to options, right?
Mhm.
And we need to add pass at the end.
Yes. Yes, that's actually wait, no,
Do you get what I
no,
said?
yes, but like chill. We're already calling pass here now. So are we doing pass? Let's try it now. Let's try it.
Yeah, but because I was thinking, if we had passed the show help
Mm-hmm.
directly to these
Mm-hmm.
options, it would
Mm-hmm.
have worked. Like I have it would have worked, right? But because of maybe we're having to change these two options, maybe we still need to add that pass, like additional pass again.
Let's try it. Let me try what you just said. That actually sounds smart. It
Yeah, because I feel like
sounds like something that would. So do I need to pass this Yags thing? The hide bin. Oh, we're not doing the pass before, right? Am I frozen now? Can you hear me? Let me try what you said. Yeah, that broke though. Can you hear me? Let me try it. I'm trying what you said though. But if I call in options again, it's this is already going back to the old codes that we had. If it's not recognizing options that show help, and we have to put this very long thing for it to actually work, it's already becoming too much. It's roughly the same thing with us calling yags directly. But let's see. Yeah, this does not even work because options is not a function, it's actually an object. Or is it? No, it's a function actually because yags is being called there with like this bunch of methods. So we created a yags instance and we're calling yags. But it's saying that options is not a function because can you hear
Hello,
me?
can you hear me? Yeah, I
Yeah, I
can
can.
hear you now. So I
So I
think,
is this what you were saying?
let me see. Oh no, you are not passing the process dot add. So you're only passing option dot show help. Then now dot pass here.
Yeah, I already did that though. Or maybe I didn't run
Oh, it
it.
didn't work.
Let me see. Let me see. I just to confirm. I probably didn't run it, but let me try again. Yeah, it's saying it still
Oh,
said the
it
same
didn't
thing.
work. I
So I
just
think we need
guess.
to call yags directly. Create an
Yeah.
instance,
So
then that will allow.
in the new
Or
instance, yeah.
we could refactor that to make it a variable. And let's come here and do like yags. Uh
Should just be yags dot bin, and then we'll pass it to add and we'll pass it to that one too.
exactly. Or we could just even create a global
We'll
instance.
create it top level, yeah, global. That's how
Create a
we see.
global
So
instance.
we just release it instead of having to pass.
Yeah. So that way it will be like much cleaner. So we'll just
Mhm.
carry this top level thingy, put it here, so that this will now
So you
become
have to
yag
change. You have to change the name because the yard is the same as
instance.
the imported.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that it's not
yard
like
instance.
so that it's
Yeah,
not
so crash.
yags instance like that. So this will also be just let me remove this one.
Yeah, instance.
Yags instance.
The show help. The show help.
Oh my bad.
They're missing the show help.
Yeah, let me just write that here. Yags instance dot show help. Oh, I like that it's suggesting commands to us now. I mean suggesting functions to us now. It always shows that you are doing something right. Whenever you're writing code and you see that, just know you are doing the right thing.
Also, the one on top, the process, the ads.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, this one.
so
That's true. Can
yeah,
just change to.
change that
Oh
one
wait.
to
Do we need to
yard
do that though?
instance.
Do we need to do that though? Because
Yes, I mean it's the same.
wait, I'm coming.
Or we should
Okay.
just even change. We could even instead of using app dot language, we could change it to yard instance dot language. Do you get
Yeah,
what?
that's what
Instead
I was
of we
looking at.
don't even need the yeah
That's what I was
anymore.
looking at because if we are doing that, yeah, Yags can just every yeah, exactly. You're right. That's actually so smart
Mhm.
because that way we just have
So
one
everything
Yag.
is just yard instance exactly. So
Yeah, so
we
this
don't
just be
have like confusing variable names and stuff.
the language, and this will just be Yag instance. The L. So I'm just going to carry this here too. I hope the code doesn't break though, because we already changed so many things. But we'll fix it anyways. So
So we have no, we still have more than it. Add dot L dot S.
yep, yep. Oh, sorry. I already copied the wrong thing. I need to copy this Yags instance. The code is even like lesser now. We've already refactored some parts of it.
Yeah, yeah. There's like a lot of multiplication.
Is there anything else? I think that's all right.
Mm-hmm.
Are
I
we, are
think
we,
that's all. Yeah.
So let's try run CLI. Let's try run our file. Yeah, I just know I did something there. Let me clear this. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice. But wait, is this one broken though? Is boxing broken?
Let's see. Wait, the color. Wait, is that not violet?
It's purple. We added now. All right.
We added purple, right?
Coming. Wait, where's that even coming from? This is the help, right? So
Now we
usage.
translate the same.
Yeah. So
Yeah, that one.
this boxing, the box is broken. For some reason. But let's see if version. Let's see if version. Let's try running any of the commands to see if it works. Oh, it works. That means the CLI is kind of working. But let's try boxing. There's an issue with that too. And also, this is green, right? Why is it showing purple?
So that's what I'm trying to see if we change. If we change something. There's a comment, Idris, that wow, it's nice work. Thank you very much, Idris.
Thank you, Idris. So yeah, this is coming up as purple. Do we need to like, I don't know. What are you thinking?
I think we need to check. I mean, it's working. It's just that something somewhere is.
Well,
so
green is
just
showing
need to
up.
trace.
Green is showing up as purple. So maybe it's not working.
Yeah, can we change that green to something else, like a different color, and see if it's going to change to something?
Or maybe chalk is the problem. Maybe chalk is the problem though. But
we've not updated chalk, right?
Yeah, we've not updated chalk.
Oh. I think that would be the problem. I think that should be the next one there.
It's actually great that Yags is good now, because Yags was actually the biggest problem last week when we were like trying the latest versions. So we actually fixed Yags now. Let's just try to fix chalk. So so terminal string styling done right. Okay, how about these colors and shit and stuff? Yeah. So install chalk. So how is chalk being used? So you import it like this, fine. Then you now do chalk.color, as in chalk dot whatever color, okay? Chalk.blue. This is weird though, because this is. Are we doing anything wrong? Or do we need to update the device?
I sent you a message on the private chat. We can check.
Yeah. One sec. Sorry guys, I'll be back. Yeah, taking a look at chalk. Everything looks right here though. Like, are you back, Emmanuel?
Yeah. But like, the weird thing about this chalk is like,
you're frozen, or is it just my?
Can you hear me?
Network.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now, though. Say something. I think I can hear sound.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, so chalk looks fine. Oh wait. Okay,
yeah. So,
new level.
So as I was saying, like for me, when I saw this, I felt like chalk would be like the most easiest
Things
to
like,
like go around
yeah,
because chalk is like calling a bunch of colors and like passing text. So
yeah. So
there's
why
really
is
no,
why is
yeah,
green?
there's really even that much complications. If I call green, I should see green. So
There's
like
no
it's not
like
that much
what are you breaking
exactly.
for? What are you
It's not
breaking
that
for,
much
bro?
of a big deal. Yeah.
Let me update this first. Let's see what happens. Wait, what is chalk doing here though? It's coloring the box, right? Oh wait,
Yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
coloring text. But even the box is broken though, so maybe that's something to look at because the box kind of like just broke out too. So CLI tool. Nice. So we are getting the errors from chalk now. Okay, this was the errors we were having. If you remember from last week, when chalk the keyword. Wait,
Um,
wait. We are not using chalk the keyword here.
I can't see your screen. Oh. I
What do you say?
can you hear
Yeah, I
me.
can hear you.
Your screen is frozen. Like
No, my screen is up though.
it's me.
My screen is up.
What? Yeah, what do you have currently on your
I
screen?
get problem.
NPM.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
What I can see is like, yeah, I'm seeing like, I can hear you. I can see like NPM. Is that what you have on your?
Oh, I think let me try resharing. I don't know if the audience is saying the same thing, but let me try resharing.
And yeah, and your video is also looking okay. I think it's better. Yeah.
I just reshared.
Okay, I can see. I can see your face.
Okay, awesome. So we got the first chalk error, and it was about uh, why is the arrangement messed up? Where's VS Code even? Uh, did I close the VS Code? Oh, this is the VS Code, and this is terminal should be here. Yeah. So we got the first chalk error, and I fixed it. So we're saying something about chalk dot keyword not
Okay.
existing. So I just changed the keyword because it was keyword then violet. So I just changed that to like chalk the violets. Let me see if that exists. Okay. It doesn't look like they used violets at all. So these are the colors they have. I don't think violet is even one of the colors they have. Well, it looks like they don't have violet again.
Uh,
But that's crazy though. Why did they just remove violet? Maybe we should try chalk the magenta or something.
yeah. And also, I was thinking a color, kind of like a color set that you can have like variant.
Oh yeah, I see
Actually,
what.
there's no balance because it didn't suggest. Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't. Yeah, they even here I didn't see violet, so that's kind of weird. Let me see if I isn't violet anywhere else. But what happened to violet?
Yeah. Violet promised that he or she was going to come and it didn't come.
Okay, so at least
Oh
magenta
boy.
worked.
Yeah, it was.
Magenta,
But
but the green still doesn't work. I'm sorry. Wait, am I
yeah,
am
you
I even
change
tripping?
that to magenta too. You change both of
Yeah.
them to magenta. Change the text color to ABD. Yeah,
To
something
yellow or
else.
something. Am I tripping? Yeah, this color is not being called. This inner
Are you
color.
sure there's yellow also?
Yeah, there's yellow now. Yeah, there's yellow. Look.
Okay, I think what we can do is the issue I'm seeing. I feel like it's coming with trying to use boxing with chalk.
but it's
Because
not working.
the what's it called, uh, the rearrangement of the box that I got disfigured is like,
Even
oh,
the
it's still
color is
not
not.
working.
Yeah, it's
And why
not.
do we have object?
Where's that coming from? Though? Translate the sentence to a new language, something, something. Then it's now showing this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this should not be here. This was with boxing. Yeah, but like it's kind
Still
of
not showing.
limits. Like, why is this even happening?
And
Like,
it's
why is it?
even breaking. Like, why is
Oh,
it
I think
breaking specific?
yeah, it's breaking to a weird position because the line break is after
It's
language.
supposed to be after language, exactly.
Maybe I should use it a template literal or something. Let me try a template literal. Does that work? It takes strings, right? So
Should
template
work.
literal should be a
Yeah.
problem. I need to make this. Yeah, this is how template literals are, right? Yeah, I think this is correct.
Mm-hmm.
Even with template
Still
literal, even the
breaks.
template literal is still breaking, and there's no styling that is breaking into the next line. I mean, sentence like this one takes like a full line, but this one when it gets specific, it now breaks to the next line. Chalk the yellow, and chalk the yellow is not even being called, so that's something. Maybe we should just make the entire thing a template literal instead of like breaking. Oh, sorry, we need this to like break to a new line. So maybe that's so after sentence it breaks to a new line. Then we have chalk the yellow, translate a
And
specific.
also with the boxing had extra styling,
Yeah,
right? Like maybe
yeah,
padding
like
and stuff.
yeah, it did. But
Yeah.
that still did not do. Everything else became magenta for some reason. Let me maybe there's an existing issue online. Boxing, breaking,
Sure.
no, chalk, breaking. Although I saw something on their readme about level or something like that. Like maybe we should go back. Sorry. Let's say chalk package I don't know for CLI breaking Nest.js. No, not Nest.js. Oh yeah, back to chalk though. Like I saw something about color levels here. So apparently you can create something called a color level. Let me see. Uh yeah, you can do something called a chalk dot level. Oh sorry, level of color support. Okay, this is just I guess that this doesn't have anything to do with it. But you can change styles. So like chalk dot red or bold or underline. And that's nice.
Oh wait, I'm having a guess. Wait, can we go back to the code? I'm having a guess that
No, not this.
um I'm having a guess that this the first color, right? The magenta kind
Mm.
of overshadows whatever it is you have inside,
Yeah,
right? So
that's what's happening. That's what's happening.
yeah. So instead of like in CSS when it's like it's specific, you have a color attached specifically to a node or something text node. The effect that this one just takes whatever the outermost color is,
Oh,
it
like
just takes
oh, I
it.
think I see what you mean. You mean like specificity or something?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly.
Fix that. Um, how would I even work? Because I if eventually even if it's separated into a different variable, we still have to wrap it here.
Together.
So
You
how would
know,
that work?
Wait, you know what I was thinking? Usage is supposed to be. I mean, how does this chalk object does it return like an object or something? I was thinking we could have maybe an
Should we
object that
log?
will return
Let's log usage and see
both.
what happens.
Yeah, so we do like both of them and then put in an object as usage so that they are like separate from each other.
So what does usage return? Wait, the log is fine. Isn't this weird?
Oh wait,
The
it
log is
actually
fine.
returns with the yellow color.
Let me return back to that boxing thing. I want to yeah, I want to actually be I want to confirm something, sorry. So when we log, because when I was even looking at their docs, the way they were testing was by logging anyways. I mean, how would they say it? So now let me try to console the log
Usage.
usage. I'm guessing the box will be fine too now. But let's log it first. Wow, everything is fine. Even the green works. Is that green? Okay, it's
It's
yellow,
green now.
right?
Green and
Oh
yellow.
yes, the green works fine. But
Mm-hmm.
then usage breaks it for some reason.
This is very, very strange.
I have an idea though, but the idea would involve us um creating a function. We'll create a function that consoles or logs usage. Oh no. Oh,
Or can we?
the function will console or log
Okay.
usage.
I
It
don't
will
think
just
this will
console or
be.
log usage, then return the Yags instance. What do you think? It's console or log usage, then return the Yags instance. But that doesn't really fix the problem because usage is supposed to take it directly and just figure it
Mhm.
out.
I'm even thinking of doing, but I don't think this one will also affect. Like we should totally get rid of the option, the const option stuff. Since we're not calling options anyway, like just call yard instance directly. But I don't think that will actually fix it. Or I don't like the fact that we're just having to do a variable that's
Am
not
I
being
not
used
using-
anyway.
Mm. Let me check Yags too. Let's see what does options do. Where's that their docs? It was here. I had it open now. Did I close it? Okay, this is it. So let's see options. Sorry, options. Wow, this is not a very good idea. Options like this. The options. Okay, yeah. Oh, they still use options. Like for example, if you want to demand um specify. Oh, you can actually call a demand option directly. To like what commands
Mhm.
you want to demand. For you to instead of running. Oh, option is like for you to specify all the possible commands that you could have, and we don't even need this help. I don't even think we need this true here. Yeah, so you were saying something though.
Yeah, I was saying, um, let's try and like remove what's it called? Like
This
get rid of the
option.
option. Just yeah, just call yard instance direct.
You asked the what?
Like the options, yeah.
Oh, like this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, since it's not being called anyways, right?
Yeah. So, but still, I don't think I'll fix the issue, sha, but you can rerun it and see.
Yeah, it's
You
still
still
wrong.
need to know, yeah, you still need to know what's. I mean, why does it decide to go into the yard instance and now?
The weird part is that the log is fine. Or should we go and use that command?
But you know the thing is with commands, they have to be the first argument uh, has to be the command, and you can't really see the what's it called? You can't really see whatever it is you put there unless that command is That's the thing with command.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Actually, you're right.
Mhm.
It
So
just
you have
shows
to
you
type
like
that command
a default, shows you like a default info about like the command or
exactly.
something. Oh, okay. They even have completion shortcuts for commands and stuff. Nice.
So now my other guess is that there's a confliction between um there's a
Yags.
confliction between yards and chalk or something. That's my other guess.
Because when we log it, it's fine.
Because
The logs.
exactly it shows that the boxing and chalk are working good. But when they now come to now to be
Use
used
it.
with yards, it now makes things up. So that's the new
Or
explanation.
should we try dropping it directly? I don't know if that even does anything. Yeah, it's from
Just
this.
remove the semicolon. You need to comment that keep an error, consult the log that you have there. Usage.
Yep, it's still not. It's still the same thing.
Still the same thing.
Why are you breaking though? Like, I mean, I wasn't
I
expecting any
think
different. I was maybe it would be a different
I think we
thing.
can check. You know what? I think we can check using yards with chalk,
Sure.
like using yards with boxing. Because I'm having a feeling the same way we had to pass high thing. Maybe there's like something we're missing that we're supposed to like wrap like an helper method. We're supposed to wrap around.
So somebody has something called Yagonaut.
Oh
Oh,
wait, there's a
it's called Yag.
Diagonauts.
I just opened Yagonaut. So how does Yagonaut work? So we have to install Yagonaut, and then you require it. Okay. Then you call the style you want. Uh, so then how does it now work? How does it plug in rather? I think you just call the color like that for all top level Yag strings.
Okay, so
Uh,
what like the
yeah, this doesn't really say anything much because how do we actually target a specific color and give it Yag's color?
mhm.
Also, I'm only seeing fonts here though. But you can use for like error fonts, anything. Uh, can we see a docs somewhere?
Well, they also mentioned chalk, piglet. Can you see it? I think
Yeah,
the
they are
doc will
using.
even help us.
It uses like this is like Yag. Sorry, this is like Yags underneath to make it work. I mean, it uses chalk rather underneath to make it work.
Mhm.
So from what we see here, the home page is just really nice. I just want to see where they are calling Yagonaut or something. Like,
Wait. Scroll up some. Scroll up a bit. Require does thou blue. Let's see. Last color.
interest. this doesn't really the top level style, but like we need to
How
target
do you
specific
specific
parts of it. So we can't really just we can't just give everybody the same color, right? I think you can use the Argonauts for like general styles like help. Oh, I think I get it now. Maybe we can just do this. Like you see this. Can just like do help like that. And just do
But
like
if we're going to do that, okay, I get. Oh, for this we could do like the usage, right?
yeah. No. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that makes sense. Oh yeah, we can just do like the usage. Is that a thing?
But the problem with that is that if we do that, it means that it's going to take like it's going to give like a general like color or something, general style basically for that usage. You won't be able to like
No, I don't think
like
it's a the
specific.
usage. It's just the help we can do. You know, usage is basically a help. So we can just do the usage, the help rather. Yeah, I get what you mean, but like we can still just try it though. I guess there's no harm in that. But we'd have to let go of chalk because that would be too many dependencies. If we have chalk and they have Yagonaut. Okay, so Yagonaut is in. Um, should we just like remove chalk? But
Mm-hmm.
chalk is used in like, so many places though.
That's
Let's
it.
leave
That's the
chalk.
problem.
Let's leave chalk for now. Then we'll try to like refactor, or we can just leave both
So
of them.
let's try to test the top level stuff with
Yeah.
Diagonals. You have to import this.
So Yagonaut will be like Yago. One sec.
You can also do like the fonts too and pick one of the fonts they use here.
Yeah. Let me just carry one of their nice fonts here. Let's just use these two.
Okay.
We can do away with this, I guess, for now. Remove this. We can also remove this chalked or yellow, right? I'll remove this as well. So that we're left with this, right? So let's
Yeah.
try now. The box still breaks though, but it looks like the style applied, but like it still breaks. I think it's just usage
Are you
being
sure
weird.
this style apply? Do we was it
Look at it.
green we specified for help?
Oh yeah, my bad. Help style green, yeah.
Can we change that green to be sure? But I think it was green before. Change it to like I don't
Uh,
know,
yellow.
red or something. Yeah.
Yeah, I think Yags even Yagonaut still breaks.
Mm-hmm.
Why is
Because
usage being
I can't see the font.
when new styling is what will give us issues in this.
I think the fact that Yags is working without issues, Yags and
But
boxing.
yeah, honestly, that's the W. Like having these errors from having this issue from the usage is just unnecessary, and I'm not
Mm-hmm.
even it's not even like resonating with you, but it just feels like something that should be an easy fix. So at least we know
That's what I'm saying.
Argonaut was a waste of time, I guess. We didn't need to install it.
Mm.
So let's just clean it
Yeah,
up and Argonaut.
let's take it back to what we have. I I thought like initially like if we're able to come up with a fix with for yags and those ones, the other color ones won't be that much of an issue because I mean they are just colors. Just make sure you call them correctly. That's all. But they are now proven to be the
Issues.
yeah,
Did we even update chalk? I think we updated chalk, right?
yeah,
Just
we
to be sure.
updated Cho.
5.3.0 is what we have. And what's the current version? Yeah, 5.3.0. Yeah.
I think the only one we've not updated is Figlet.
Oh yeah, Figlet is for like fonts, right? They just update that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think what Yagonauts does is like combines both Figlet and um chalk. So it's like give you all the
And
styling that you
Chalk.
get out of the box. Doesn't look like Figlet has changed much. So if there's an error or something, I think Figlet is being used here too. Oh, but it's
Mm.
not. It's just the console error they are doing here. Than actually, we are even calling Figlet. So it's even being called at all.
I think the CLI, yeah, that's no big text
Oh
CLI
yeah,
too.
yeah. Okay, so let me just npm.
Wait, are they using Chalk again there? Because I saw
What?
Chalk and it seems like it's working like the Chalk dot yellow or something.
Yeah, this one
Mm-hmm.
works fine. Like if we try to translate now, so let's say we try to translate. Oh, I think oh, this is nice. Yeah, gonna give all our options like a green kind of color. So it wasn't affecting this actually, it was affecting this help. So it wasn't actually
But
affecting it.
I don't think that's like from Yagono too, because I think yeah, it was already green
No, it
even
wasn't
before
green.
we
It was
installed.
from Argonaut. Wait, is Argonaut not gone?
It is now. If you check that help, there's like a chalk configuration there, so that's what's giving me that color. Like we tried using yellow with Yagonaut, but it didn't work. That's when I knew it wasn't coming from Yagonaut.
Oh, so you're saying like a green from somewhere is what's
Mm-hmm.
giving that.
Check. Yeah, if you go down like where the help, where we put show help around that side, there's like a green, a chalk configuration somewhere. If
Where?
you scroll down, ahead as a chalk dot green. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but like that's for like
Okay,
when it
this
responds.
translate. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I think the green is coming from the top level.
No, it was coming from Argonaut too. Now it's fine. It's back to white again. It was coming from Argonaut.
But why was it not changing when we changed it to yellow or something?
Yeah, we didn't like change anything. We just I guess it was cached somehow, so it was trying to rerun. So it was coming from Argonaut, but Argonaut's gone now. The help is now white again. And this is still broken with the magenta. Ah, why is styling the problem now? But let's try translating though. So CLI tool. At least let's see if the commands work. So put the L. So let's just follow this. So it says we put the L, then write whatever language you want. The language will be like uh the code, right? Like FR or something. So let's do
Mm-hmm.
AS or something like that, like as a string. And then hyphen S, I want pasta. Whoa, it did not run anything. Is it a dash dash? But CLI is just returning the default message back again. Isn't that weird?
That's what I'm trying to see.
Okay, the help works. At least we know that the help works. But when we now run a command, That's when we try to translate. It's supposed to like, I don't know.
Wait, does the language come before the sentence or the sentence before the language?
It's language before sentence. Well, maybe the translate is not actually not being called correctly or something. You think we should take this translate into a function and pass down parameters to it or something like that? Or is it because run CLI is only called once? No, no, that doesn't make sense. Run CLI,
It's still going to
oh,
run.
yeah.
Yeah. See the version translate. Or what we could do. Wait, there's a console.log there, say. So why is that
Oh,
console.log not showing? Like inside the translate.
oh, you mean this
Mm.
chalked or green? Okay, this is a different error that we should have actually been paying attention to. Okay, so where do we start with this? Where do we start? Where do we start? I should be up. Should this be up of the upper case? And should they even be in quotes? Yeah. It's weird. Language sentence. Run the command and it still just brings back the CLI too. I think it's just the arrangement of our code. Let's check. So let's see. Translate's supposed to run with whatever sentences that is passed in, right? And now we actually need to verify that the code even gets to any of these parts.
So we
But it's
can do
not.
a console.log.
Oh, it's not reading it. So see what's happening. So you're saying that if Yax.instance is null or Yax dot or whichever of the language or instance, they're both null, it should just show help. I think there's a problem. Remember that argv that we removed?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember that argv that was supposed to
Yeah,
be
but
here?
was it the same as what we had the Yard instance?
Let's change this back to argv. So now we need to verify that no, we need to log our we need to log our argv.
And
So
you still have
see
to
whether
change the
language.
.l and .s.
I already changed those now.
Uh,
Where? What am I
like the
changing?
one underneath.
Oh, okay, okay. So we need to log our argv to be sure that the object that is coming in actually takes in whatever parameters we have. So what was logging before was the code that we wrote here. So like this early return.
Mm-hmm.
That whenever there is either of them is null, it should just show that help. So that's why that help was being shown. So
Yeah.
let's try like let's try this command again with that console log that I've put now. Where did I put it here? Let's see what will happen now. Oh, it works now. It works now. I
Yeah,
was right.
it
So
works.
it was using that first instance of Yags.
I
So
think we need
whenever
to pass like the dot add. Yeah.
so we need to call. We are supposed to call that like that undo bin or something. But I think this one
Okay.
works. Either that one or if we call the undo bin, we have to use dot pass. But if we are using, we
But
can
this
also
one
use
works. This is much cleaner. Yeah.
yeah. So that fixes it. And want pasta was translated to Hero pasta. So did I remove that console log already? Okay, I removed it. So
Yeah.
let's try it. I want to play football. Oh, sorry. Right? Translate this to Spanish. So I want to play for Quiero jugar al football. I
Football.
don't know. I guess that works. Let's
Sugar
try China.
bonita. If you try Brazilian, I mean Portuguese, sorry.
Oh, Chinese is not supported, or that's not just the name. Portuguese. What would
I think
Portuguese be?
Portuguese should be like I
Let's
don't know,
check the
probably
package.
be
Update. You know we didn't update this package too, right? We're supposed to actually
yeah.
update.
I just figured
So the latest version is 9.2.0. What do we have here? Let's just
I
update
have
it.
7 points.
I hope they didn't make any API changes though, because that might be another rabbit hole. Okay, we're
If
calling
they do,
translate here. But they are using it as, yeah, it's a normal promise. I think they are still running it as a promise.
if there's a major change, not that difficult. We just change it back to 7.0. It's not,
Yeah,
not that, yeah.
is the function async though? Is our function async? No, it's not. We may have to
Mm.
make it async though. But we would have to call it async too. But it runs now though, so which is kind of, oh yeah, you can still call this translate API.
Because we're using a dot then, we're attaching a
What'd you
dot
say?
then. I said we're attaching a dot then and dot catch like for hours now.
Yeah,
Since the promise is going to
yeah.
return a promise.
Let
Yeah.
me see. What's now the code for Chinese? Oh, Chinese is ZH. Oh, yeah. Actually, I should have remembered from like working on I18N. All the I18N work I used to do. Like Chinese was always ZH. So let's just update this though. And with that, I think we're virtually done, so we can publish. Uh,
So we have 9 points. Yeah. So let's try
let me
it
try.
again.
Let me try this command I had before, but with now ZH. What's the error? Translate is not a function. I knew it. I knew this was going to throw an error. I just knew it.
Here we go again. Here we
God.
go again.
So, oh, I think I know what the problem is. I was just there now. I was just there.
I think you have seen that we closed it. Yeah, go back here.
I think we need to destructure now.
The structure, yeah.
But although, well, let's see. Because they are waiting in here. So, it may have to be in like an asynchronous function for it to even run at all. But I wait.
But
But normally it takes in the sentence as it should. We are converting the language to lowercase. That's still a thing. Let me see the API. It takes in some options. Okay, we can do the language in which. Okay, language dot to lowercase. Okay, yeah, and then the some other things. So it still takes it as normally. But let's see if this will run. I doubt though because but we are calling it as a promise. Though. Okay, it works. It works. Wait, too many requests. Have been blocked.
I think you have.
But I mean,
I
we are
think
not
there's
paying for it.
like a quota. Yeah.
Oh, it worked. It worked. I want to play football. Okay, I cannot read that, so let me just not try.
Attempt now. Attempt. Attempt.
No, I
Attempt.
don't. This is YouTube.
No, attempt. Attempt. I mean, I think everybody wants to attempt, right? Yeah, attempt. Attempt to.
Nobody's saying
Uh,
anything for it.
eh?
I'm not going
No,
to attempt.
I could see comments now. Someone just said, yeah, you should attempt.
Where?
Can you
I
check for?
I check for
Can
what?
you can you check for Portuguese?
Let me check. I
Please,
actually don't know the code.
the short code for it.
Portuguese is PT.
Oh, pity.
Actually, a nice feature to do would be like to fetch all those supported languages and like show it like in
Mm-hmm.
the terminal in the CLI so
So
that you
all the
actually
codes, yeah, so you
yeah
can.
like in a table kind of thing. Like when you click slash slash supported languages, you just show you that table. That could be a nice thing
Yeah.
to add.
Equiro joga
Yeah,
futebol.
all.
I
Ah,
just wanted to see.
so this works now,
Uh,
and I mean this is nice actually. Like the CLI works.
mm-hmm.
We should port it to npm.
Yeah, I think that's the next step, you know, to publish something.
Uh,
Yeah, press. Press.
I'm looking up like some articles online. Let me see. Let's see what we're going to do from there. We publish the CLI to. Okay, let me just take this and put it here. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Publishing the Node.js CLI to npm. So create a new folder. Yeah, we already did all of this. Oh, this person is also using. They are using TypeScript, though. We are not using TypeScript. Uh, oh, we should have actually looked up this article since look at the word. This person is using like the updated commands, I
The
think.
updated one.
Yeah, the last push to Yags was 1 year ago, so it's kind of like the test.
I think it's good we have to like go through the docs ourselves and figure stuff
Yeah,
out.
I agree. Okay, I'm gonna come and put commands here, like all the commands we want to have. Define commands for our CLI too. Yeah, so they created like a and then like an init file. But yeah, publishing to npm. So to publish our CLI to we first need to add a git repo, run the git init command in our project root directory, and then create a repository on GitHub or any other git post and add the remote URL to our project with git remote. Yeah, normally pushing to GitHub, I'm guessing. Um, cross release script our package. Okay. Yeah, but what does this do though?
I think it
What does
helps to
that-
like
Oh, it like helps with like auto versioning and stuff.
mm-hmm,
And then you can set
like
EMVs and so across like different environments.
different yeah, different
This one is for
environments.
different environment for like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and this one is for
Yeah.
auto publishing and versioning. You install the two packages and to add them under their dependency. Okay, so let's start with the first process, which is us actually creating a repo,
Creating
right?
a Git repo. Yeah.
CLI translate. We need to actually add the README to this thing because you want to work on the README, you can like create a .readme file and just do, like some basic information about it.
Uh,
I'll set up the
actually,
README.
yeah, I think I actually did lost the connection. You can send me
Yeah,
like
let
a
me just
new,
add it back.
yeah, because that one was from me out when I had it.
Yeah, I just sent you the link. So I'm just trying to like push there. So this is CLI to help with to help I don't know that help that translate any language, any sentence. The sentence actually I think it's from English to any language, right? Sentence.
Okay, I'm getting an error. It's saying joining the live share host is currently offline. This usually occurs due to the host machine being in sleep mode or host
Yeah,
connectivity
let me just
issues.
do this and start a new one. I'll start a new session now. Uh,
Yeah.
you try again. So have you joined?
Uh, I'm trying to join this loading.
When you join, I'll just share this. I'll just show the readme while you work on it, and we can work on that together. So, okay, you've joined now. You should probably remove this code too, because we don't need this again. But we need that shebang at the top, and the shebang and this thing to run the script. But I don't think we need this one again. We need that part too. We need this part so that to run the script in the CLI with the node environment and with the node runtime rather. But the rest, well, that's why the options. You remember, you know that options was working without even being called anywhere. That options object it's because of this script here that is executing it.
Yeah.
They've created the readme. Okay, sorry. Hey, we're almost done.
Um, so are there any are there any like commands or something you want to?
Basically just to check version, which is I can just run it here for you on the screen so you can see that you can just do dash dash help. There's also the help command. So if you command
Yeah.
uh, so these are the commands of these are the commands. So let me just drop that on the readme for you. Maybe you can write up on them.
Or commands use the command it should be like a list for this.
Yeah, you can do a list. or bash, and I cannot do. I'm just gonna try that command. So to install, we actually need to do installation. Um,
So the
yes,
installation will just be npm
uh,
so CLI icon.
for the CLI too.
And I also think we need to give it a name. What do you think? Instead of using
So what should we call it?
I don't know.
Uh,
Language. I'm trying to think of.
live stream translate. That's too long. Tran peer, like stream to peer. Tran peer.
We call it. Say it again. I didn't get you.
Tran.
Oh, Trampier. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that's good.
I can just change this one to Tran peer.
Yeah.
Um, and the Tran peer.
Yeah.
The Tran peer. Let's just do a description here. Provide handles translation of sentences in any language. In English, rather. We haven't actually gotten to add that feature yet. Should I add that feature?
Or can
English
we
and
can we also do is there a way we can attach okay we can supported language so that if you want to see like the country, I mean
provided
country code or some short code,
by.
we'll just attach that link that we saw on that
That's that's updated.
yeah. So
Read
that if you want to
by
check out language short code.
provided by the Google Translate API. Terminal. So to install the CLI on your machine, you just run npm install, maybe not C, but like CLI, sorry, tran peer, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Or to install globally. I just do npm install -g tran peer. Uh, supported commands. So let's try tran pair to see if it works. Tran pair. Oh, tran pair isn't working.
No, you have to like change the name, like in the actual code.
Oh, you mean like this folder?
Yeah, exactly.
1 sec. Let's
Let's
do
change
that
that.
from. So tran pair we are trying to open. Okay, let's try it now. Yeah, I still think we need to run that npm install. Ah, our pnpm. So maybe tran pair works now. Still not found. How
Can
do you
you
make
see
this work?
I think you have to sync it. Can you sync it to the folder?
No, it has to be run from like the root.
Yes.
I mean, sorry, it should work from like the root rather. We need to test this locally to ensure that everything is fine before we go ahead and push this. So if I'm getting this error now, it's kind of a problem. Trump here, this is command not found.
Hey, can you
What is
search?
this?
Can you search? What's it called? Can you search for CLI2 in the files to see where, if there's anywhere? I mean, probably the package is just in the set.
Oh, yeah. I've already changed those though. I changed this to Trump here. I can search for CLI2 though.
Search for CLI2.
Or maybe in the log.
Mhm.
Let me remove this then. I remove the node modules too. And I npm install again. So it says cannot structure. Yeah, somebody has that error. Uh, so expected behavior. Um, providing name property in package or JSON.
I don't know a name. I think you have a name.
Oh, I think we have to cd to that directory to run it from there, like you said. But let's check on this to see if it's done. Um, so let me try it from here though. Oh, you were right. You were right. So we have to run it from here so that we are able to use it from here. Yeah, it works.
Yeah. So we have to change the usage command. I just saw that now. So it was CLI2. And I have to change to Check
Yeah,
there.
my bad.
Check
So
village. That's it there. On top, no, on
what?
top, on top, on top. Message.
You're breaking,
Yeah, that's.
and then
Mm,
there's that other one that has to be changed right from here.
yes. The trumpet. I think we have to capitalize it.
What do you say?
Capitalize
Yeah, yeah, it's good now.
like uppercase. Oh, okay.
It's good now actually. Everything is fine. So we're okay to publish. So let's start by pushing to GitHub. That's what they said now, right? And then create the
So
repository.
initialize and then
Let's just follow this. Initialized. I didn't add. I was supposed to add. Can't believe I didn't stage before trying to come in. So that's done. Now branch off to the main. Change our main branch rather from master to main, and add the remote URL. Then push to upstream branch main. Yeah, this was like really nice actually. Like I was getting this to work. It was really nice. So now I think should be here now. The code should be live here. Oh, we push node modules. My God. Your node module has to go. Oh wait, there has to be a git ignore, right?
yeah, that's why they get it. Yeah.
I thought it would add the git ignore though. Like it's supposed to add it. So I'm just going to like node modules here. Now I need to delete this one there, push it. So I'll stage. Also the lock. Okay, the lock can go actually. I should be out now. Oh, we didn't spell get started well. I think we can just fix that here. We should also rename the repo to Trampier.
Mhm.
And I should also invite you as a collaborator. I just sent you an invite. And Trampier. So let me just npm install here real quick. I remove this lock so that my local code works well. Oh, that's right. That makes sense. Yeah, so Trampier is live. We're just going to publish it to npm now. And yeah, we're almost done. Like almost done, almost done. So we need to now install these packages for like publishing to npm and for like versioning and also like cross environment stuff. So that works well on all versions of all environments. So I'm going to add a release script to our package.json. But we need to find a way to prevent
Okay.
someone from accidentally running npm publish in the root of our project. To achieve this, we can create this prepublish.js file with the following content. So that makes sense. So for example, if somebody's like publishing their own package, maybe depending on our own package or something, or if they install our package in their machine or something, they don't like accidentally publish our package as well. So let's create a
Yeah.
prepublish.js. So do you want to publish it to npm Emmanuel, or what do you think? Do
Um,
you want to change
I
the steps or
just
something?
I actually lost the session again when we opened
Should I re-add you or
a
something?
new folder. Yeah, you can add it. Just create a new session.
Oh yeah, when I change to a new folder, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, yeah.
I just sent you the code, the link rather.
Okay.
So I've installed
One sec.
the cross env. Yeah. So they went to dev dependencies because obviously they're only going to they should only work locally on machine. They shouldn't go with package to prod. Um, also we added the pre-published script. So uh, it's checking the release mode from like the environment. So if there's no release mode, it should just console log this npm run release to release the package and then end. So I think it's only like node. That's the exit and stuff. To achieve this, so we're going to add a release script of it, but we need to prevent somebody from accidentally running in the root of our projects. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, so that's what this if statement handles. So now we can add the following script to our package.json. And so for release, we'll now use cross env and set the release mode to true. So that's what this is checking. And the package np for like version and stuff, and flag no tests. I don't know what this does, but the prepublish only runs node prepublish.js, that file, and tsc, the TypeScript compiler. Right,
Yeah.
that's what tsc is.
So what are we? What's the next thing to do now? I just got access to the
Okay,
command.
so the next thing to do is to add this script to our package.json. Do you have the link to the article?
No, I don't. You could drop that too.
Let me just send that to
Yeah,
you.
are we adding it to our package.json or
What's that? What have we added to our package.json?
you said you just mentioned package.json now?
Yeah, this script, we're supposed to add them to our package.json. So I already wrote the prepublish.js file, but I'm supposed to add this script, um, two scripts now rather, so our package.json. So prepublish only and release. We'll just add them on that script here.
Okay. So we're adding them under here, right?
Yeah, but with a comma before and no comma after. That's not true. I don't think an array can go there.
Yeah. So let's get rid of
Yeah, I think
this.
that's so now it's actually just one command to release. So we can just run npm run,
We'll publish.js or what?
yeah, npm run release to run this release. And then we'll answer some questions that MP will ask us. Publish only script to prevent anyone from manually running npm publish. Oh, that makes sense. Whenever anybody tries to like to publish, to just call this script directly, and this script has these things there. It's better to run release publish package instead of so that if they like run publish by mistake, it just doesn't publish our package. So let's see what does MP do though. Uh, Interesting. ensures you are publishing your release branch, main and master by default. Ensures the working directory is clean and there are no unpulled changes. Install dependencies to ensure your project works with the latest dependency tree. Ensures your Node.js and are supported by the project, runs tests. So this is nice. It's like a release toolkit. Yeah, let's work with it. So it does do npm run release, I guess, and that should be fine. Let me check my piece here. So it does do npm run release. So we're doing npm run release now. And now it's asking us a bunch of questions now. So it's saying so let's read that. So it tries to like install to run our normal build. I think it's running a build or a normal npm install command. Normal npm install command.
Yeah.
We don't have any tests. Normally we should actually have normally we added a test. I think we can just change that new test flag. So no files field specifying package list, you know, is a npm ignore file present. Every one of those prevents you from accidentally publishing development specific files on a package source. Following files will not be part of the published package log. You intend to publish them, add them to the files field in the package.json. Following new files will be published for the first time. So and this. Yeah, that makes sense. Just make sure you set the files out instead. Make sure these new dependencies are intentional. So are we continuing? Yes or no? So should we actually use this one, um, or what do you think?
Yeah, I think for now we don't need to add because the files that are being pushed are the ones that are listed there and these ones are good.
Yeah, actually, the only
Maybe
files that
so.
need um yeah, we can. I think the npm ignore is just like the like our git ignore. So maybe files you don't want to be published or
Mm-hmm.
something, we can just
Yeah,
add it
yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
But I think this is fine though.
That's what I'm saying. For now, what we have, what we're publishing is good.
Or do we need to publish the pre-publish? There was no that. Yeah, I think the pre-publish needs to go because if anybody tries to run publish, so that it prevents them. So I think this is fine. So yes. So what are we releasing? Select Semva. We're publishing a new version, right? So these are the only
Mm.
possible versions we have. Should we do a major version? So that would be like version 2 because we currently have version 1. Or would it be a patch or minor? I think it should be a
I
major,
think it
right?
should be. I was thinking we'll do a patch because okay, this is the first. Okay, yeah, it should be a major. This is the first. This is the first release.
Yeah, so oh, you must be logged in using npm login. Oh, okay. My bad. Uh okay, I'm trying to log in here. One sec. Let me just try to authenticate myself. Um adding some OTPs. Invalid OTP. There's no way to the OTP that I just got. Okay, that's fine. Go to home page. So let's try again. Okay, it already changed it. I'm logged in, so let's just try again.
You have to start from the
Yeah, run release.
release.
So it's a major version. Okay, so it's checking. Whoa, another error. Unclean local working tree. Commit or stash first. Um,
Just do git add and git commit.
okay.
That's it.
So run release again. Okay, that passed. At least we're able to see that. Oh, can you see my screen? Oh, something
Appointed
broke.
again.
I literally just
Oh,
looked.
please pull changes. Remote history to
Oh,
bad.
yeah,
Do you have like a different?
yeah. I changed something on
Yeah, that's
the
true. The
uh,
readme. So you have to git pull.
damn. That's I'll git pull then commit again.
Yeah.
Git pull. S- Copy this. Make some changes. Okay, that's in now. So add commit again. Now let's run release again. Hopefully this time it works. Fingers crossed. Major. Prerequisite check is taking long. Something wrong again. Okay, green, green. Okay, that's good. Please be green. Green, green. Oh, is that an error? Or does this mean it's been published? Oh, there's an error. So it says TSC doesn't exist or what? What does it say? npm publish. A command. Oh, it's because the TSC doesn't exist. Oh wait, what?
There's no
Yeah, we don't
TLC
actually.
now. We're not using TypeScript.
Oh, we're not using TypeScript. My bad. We were not supposed to add that because we don't actually have TSC.
Mm-hmm.
Where's my package address? Oh, I was
So you
following
put
that.
an
That's why. So
TS. Yeah.
I don't. We don't need this. So we just need that pre-published. Let me check if we don't have any TypeScript specific thing anywhere else. For example, in publish. Okay, this looks good. So I have to push this right.
Yeah. Just commit and push.
Let me just go to that pull command. I didn't want to have to write it. So encouraging main to push that. Now I'll just commit and then run release again. But this is a good experience, right? So like this is the first time actually running a release. It's good to see all these things. So oh, you already published that. I think that was already published too. So this will just be a minor push, I guess. NPM not being able to roll back is kind of a problem. So oh, published. Okay, this is nice now. This is a very nice
So
UI.
I think you did the 2 points. The major one already
Yeah, it was
saved.
already published. Yeah. So if we check the registry now, if you update properly, I think we should see Trump here. I'm guessing I'm just like banking on the registry being up to date. I guess it's not been added here yet, but it hasn't published. It probably take a while for it to reflect. But let's check yeah, we should see packages here. I mean like how do we know this has been published actions? But we didn't add like a we should probably like configure we should probably configure this so that it automatically deploys for us whenever we need to.
But I think it's going to. It's normal that it takes like a while to update on the registry. So
Well, we published the package. I would just have loved for us to be able to have a way to view it. It says we can check the registry that it should be there.
if only give us like a direct link
Yeah, I think there's a direct
to.
link, like to the package.
Mhm.
So they give us this registry.npmjs.org, but this is not an empty object because obviously the base URL. Um,
But we why are they passing? Why are they passing that this URL? This is get the package from there.
oh, I got an npm mail though that was public. Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be registry/npmjs.org and slash the name of our package. So like as a tran peer. Oh yes, it's on npm. So this is it. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, I can see. But why is it not on the um? Why is
I
it not
guess
on
that's,
the
but this is like the
what's it on?
this is probably like giving us direct API access to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
registry.
yeah.
But we can just also can try searching again because it looks like it's already live on npm, showing all the information, maintenance. Oh, we should be able to edit that maintenance to
Oh,
add
it
new.
is. It is live. I just checked now. I just searched
Oh,
it.
I saw it too. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, the
Finally.
EEE is a lot. Tran Pierre. Maybe that's a better name actually.
Oh, we added extra. I just saw it now.
Oh, you are here as collaborators. Why is it not showing? We both edited this too. Why just showing only mine? Weird. Can I add collaborators? Should we to add
I think you
collaborators,
get
right? So I can invite a maintainer. So what's your username on npm?
um. Do I remember? I don't think I remember. Let me
Just
check.
try logging in. Just try logging in.
Yeah.
So we published it to npm. It's actually nice and sorry. Have you checked?
Um. One sec. I'm trying to.
I guess we can try. Let me actually try installing now that it's on npm. Let me try installing this. Oh wow, it's run. Actually, let me try like global shit stuff rather. Tran peer. Let me just do tran peer. Oh wow, it actually runs. Nice. Maybe it's just this local one still running. Have you guys seen the info?
Yeah. I think. Let me just go back.
So we can add keywords to the.
Yeah. Uh,
Have you gotten it?
Not yet. I think I'm trying to recover my account.
Yourcow.com, or what did you say?
I said I'm trying to recover the account. I think I can't remember the password. Yeah. So I'm trying to. Yeah, like this verification stuff.
Yeah, but that should just be like a mail they will send to you now, like, and then you just recover it.
Yeah. Account one time password. What's the scenario?
But we can verify at least that the package is live on NPM and it works. Nice. This is awesome. This is awesome.
Okay, I think I'm in. So my username, right? So my username is official__CEO. CEO.
Yeah, I just sent you an invite.
Okay. Um, okay, I've accepted.
Yeah, I think you're in.
Okay.
I think we can also add keywords to our package.json and then republish with our
Yeah.
our end package. But that could be like a
Mm-hmm.
next version, like a patch that we can do.
Yeah, we could
So
also even update the way the API works too.
yeah, like at least we have like a package that we maintain now. So we can just
Mm-hmm.
come by here and push any code we want. And we can just update that and get things working as well. Because I'd actually want it to be like take any language, write in any language, take any language you want to translate to, and then just translate. That would be a nice, really good use case. So we probably stand here, probably post about this online and stuff. And I'm definitely adding this to my stuff. So this is nice. So you all should go and check out Champion, like just MPM Champion and actually get it to work locally. So we achieved the purpose of the live stream and this was amazing. Like us going through Yags, talk. I mean we didn't eventually like solve the chalk piece page, but like
Yeah, I
that's
mean, we had to read like documentations and like to figure out
yeah. Yeah,
so
that could be a
many
next.
things.
Yeah, definitely. Like that was the most exciting part because went through docs, went through
Exactly.
the week, went through everything, and then we eventually like, oh, maybe from looking at one code sample here and one demo here, like okay, we have to replace this. Figuring out that undo pin was amazing because we just like it was a very nice like clean function that we could have just been using. But that was nice too.
Yeah.
Like also updating all our dependencies and of course eventually publishing it to NPM.
Mhm. So this is the huge one and a lot has been learned. So I think it's time well spent reacting.
Yeah, yeah, time was spent and we did.
I think maybe got cut out a bit there. So yeah,
So I got kicked out.
it has been awesome so far, and yeah, we're almost stretching to 3 hours. So we have about 127 people tonight. So yeah, thank you guys for support, and yeah, we hope you guys learned like a thing or two, and also you have to show love to Trampier, which one PM and stuff. So we'll try to like obviously
Shut
improve
up.
on what we have there.
Yeah.
Yeah, for now, at least we have
And, and
someone
that's
in
the
point.
purpose, and that's the purpose of this live streams, like getting things done live and doing it the normal way we're
Yeah,
doing it in our dev lives. So there's no script here, no we didn't even plan this. We were just chatting about it on WhatsApp, but like, let's actually get this done. And we came in and inshallah we did it, and that was amazing. So yeah,
Yeah,
like
and I mean,
yeah,
before we did, yeah, sorry, I'm gonna say before we did like this whole CLI stuff, I think I said last week I've not done anything like this before, or maybe saw
yeah,
a video or an article before. So like matter of fact, that article release, I just saw it like a day before the live stream. So everything was like super new to me. So just it's just good that we're able to do this. Honestly.
same here. I've never actually built a CLI or done that much node related like interacting with like the node environment to like actually process those commands and getting those commands to actually run like that. And also using Yags. I mean, Yags was a huge help anyways, because like it helped us like set up the environment and everything. But
Yeah,
honestly, I feel this was a big win. Big win, yeah.
yeah, definitely, definitely. So yeah, without wasting much um time. So yeah, this has been a good one, and yeah, once again we appreciate your support and turning up for us. We really, really appreciate. And yeah, for me, sign out time. But yeah, I really had fun with this one. So yeah, thank you guys.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, for joining in. You guys are like real MVPs rather. And go try Trump here. Let us know what you think. I mean it's on GitHub now, so you might as well drop an issue. And this says know what's wrong with it or something, or or just drop these issues there. We also have a couple of features in mind that we can also use to like boost it. Both of us are maintainers on it, so I mean push here and there, and publishing to NPM sometime with once in a while, like, just to push the package further would be nice. But the idea was like get the CLI working and publish to NPM. So killing two birds with one stone. Two things that I'd never done before this live stream. So that was definitely exciting to do. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 definitely.
Mhm.
And I'm hoping, yeah, I'm hoping like successful live stream from here.
Yeah.
We do more something like this. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Just building those hard things and getting those
Mhm.
things done, like definitely a huge plus. So that's the idea of the live stream, anyways. We are not recording, we're not like rehearsing anything. Just pick a technology and work with it and build stuff and get it working. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Yeah. All right. So thank you so much everyone for joining in. You guys are like awesome and the real MVPs, and catch us next week. Um, you know, look out for what we'll do next. Try Trump here.
Yeah.
Bye everyone.
Bye, guys.